2025 tax filing season is about to begin, and in this video we are going to go over how to spot a scammer, a tax preparer that may be trying to scam you. So make sure you stay tuned, as well as we are going to go over how to select a good tax preparer and where you can go to verify if someone is legit. So make sure you stay tuned, and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. Let's go ahead and get started. Red flag number one, that your tax preparer is a scammer, and for the streets, they only accept cash and do not provide receipts. Red flag. Next, direct refund your tax refund into their bank account instead of yours. That's another red flag. That tax preparer is for the streets. You want to move on. You don't want no problems with the IRS using someone like that. Next, invent income or claim fake deductions to increase your refund amounts. Also, they charge a fee based on the size of your tax refund. They inflate the amount that they can get you back so they can get paid more money. So make sure you be wary of someone promising you a large amount of refund. And finally, they ask you to sign a blank or incomplete tax return. Don't ever sign anything that is blank, because you do not know what they will put on that paper that will come back to haunt you years later. So make sure you are there in the office with your tax preparer. Make sure that you are signing it in front of them, and make sure they are putting their credentials on there before you send that off to the IRS. Regardless of whether you prepare your tax return or you allow someone else to do so, you are still responsible for the accuracy, and any resulting additional taxes, interest, or penalties will fall on you. When you choose to prepare, always make sure it is someone you trust. Otherwise, your tax return can come back to haunt you later on. You want to ensure you use a tax preparer with a PTIN number. Paid tax return preparers must have a PTIN to prepare your tax return. Use a reputable tax professional who enter his or her PTIN number on your tax return, signs your tax return, and provides you a copy of your tax return. Consider whether the individual or firm will be around for months or years after they file your tax return, just in case you get audited by the IRS. Good tax preparers will always ask to see your records and receipts. They will also ask questions to figure things out, like the total income, tax deductions, and credits. They will ask you questions. This is how you know you're dealing with someone reputable, not someone telling you just sign here, don't worry about everything, I'm gonna hook you up. You want to run. Check the tax preparer's history. You can use the Better Business Bureau to check your tax preparer's history. You want to make sure the person has the right credentials. Only attorneys, CPAs, and enrolled agents can represent tax preparers before the IRS in matters including audits, collections, and appeals. Other tax return preparers who participate in the IRS annual filing season program have limited practice rights to represent tax preparers for audits of returns they prepare and sign. Now, in order to check someone's credentials, you want to go to the irs.gov website, hit the search icon at the top right, type in the search tax preparer, and you're going to scroll down until you see this option here that says, how can I check a tax preparer's credentials? You're going to hit that link right there that says Directory of Federal Tax Return Preparers. Once you click on that link, it will take you here to this particular screen. Then you will scroll down here and you will see where you can put in the zip code, and you can put the last name of the person. You can put in the other credentials to check to see if this person is legit before you allow them to prepare your 2025 5 tax return. You do not want any issues with the IRS. You don't want any delays. You want to get your refund timely and accurately, all right? Make sure to share your experiences with tax preparers in the comments. Have you dealt with a scam tax preparer in the past? How you handle it? Share your comments with us, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you back with more 2025 tax filing season updates. Bye bye.